Hello everybody! I found a pretty good product I wanted to share. If you have pets or older folks living in the house, sometimes odors become a little bit of an issue. I found this Zero Odor on the Amazon website, and it's kind of a no scent. Got a little bit of a tracer aroma when you first spray it, but it eliminates any kind of odor I've been able to throw at it. Here's a look at the back label and kind of what it does. Always feel free to pause to look at something a little closer. Now, like I say, it does have a slight aroma when you first spray it, but it's not overpowering at all. Also good for those that are sensitive to scents. Can't guarantee it's a perfect fit for everyone, but in my case, I've noticed quite a bit of difference in the old person odor here with the Gramps. So, of course, the old test in an inconspicuous area applies here, but I have already done that, so I can just simply spray a surface. Not super wet, but just give it a nice misting and let that dry. There's a very slight odor, that tracer odor, or for when you first spray it. But yeah, a quick little product I wanted to share along with other folks that are in similar situations. Might find this helpful. Once again, Zero Odor, Odor Eliminator. Thank you for watching.